Pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking is designed to help you feel more confident on the road. It comes as a standard feature on all Lincoln vehicles. The pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking feature uses camera technology to detect a potential collision with a vehicle or pedestrian directly in front of your vehicle. It can help reduce the impact of, and in some cases avoid, a frontal collision. If a potential collision is detected, an alert sound is emitted, a warning message is displayed in the message center, and the brakes are applied if needed. Pre-collision assist cannot be turned off, but you can select the level of sensitivity for the alert setting. To adjust the sensitivity setting, select Settings from the center touchscreen, then Driver Assistance, Pre-collision Assist, and Alert Sensitivity, and set it to low, normal, or high based on your individual preference. The alert sensitivity will not change when you restart the vehicle. It will remember and use the last setting. Thank you for watching.